Understanding the concept of cross multiplication. Now, cross multiplication is very important when we are talking about equivalent fractions, or we are looking at proportion, okay, two ratios that are equivalent, okay. Now, look at this example. It says find the value of x in x over 4 equals to 12 over 6. So let's write this down. X over 4 equals to 12 over 6. Now, to cross multiply, okay, the numerator of the first fraction will be multiplied by the second, by the denominator of the second fraction, or the fraction that is next to it. And so the numerator of the second fraction would be multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction, just like this. We have x times 6. Okay, you can see that's why we call it cross, x times 6. And then the next will be 4 times 12. However, it could be 6 times x as well. Remember that multiplication is commutative, okay? And also it can also be 4 times 12 or 12 times 4. Now let's look at this. X times 6 equals to 4 times 12. And from here, it's a kind of algebra. And of course, 6 can go to the other side to divide, because opposite of multiplication is division. So you can have this 4 times 12 divided by 6. And 6 is a factor of 12, so 6 can divide 12 to give us 2. And so we can have 4 times 2, which is equals to what? 8. So the value of x here is 8. Now let's go to the other example. Look at this. It says find the value of y in 400 over 1600 equals to 18 over y. Right here you set it up in form of a fraction. So then you cross multiply the numerator of the first fraction, multiply the denominator of the second fraction. The numerator of the second fraction multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction. And so you have it this way. Put equals to in between them. And you know that opposite of multiplication is division. So 400 can go to the other side to divide. And so y equals to 180 times 1600 divided by 400. 400 is a factor of 1600. So we can divide to give us 4. And so you have 18 times 4. And 18 times 4 gives us 72. Right? This is how to go about cross multiplication, because you need it in equivalent fractions and when you are dealing with proportion or ratio. I hope you've learned one or two things in this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.